Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Wix on your mobile device. The Wix Owner app empowers you to manage your entire online presence directly from your smartphone or tablet. It's a powerful tool, allowing you to handle everything from updating your website content to engaging with customers, all while you are on the move. You can download the free app from your device's app store in just a few moments, giving you full control. With the Wix mobile app, making quick edits to your website is incredibly simple. You can easily update text, swap out images, and rearrange sections with just a few taps. Once you are happy with your changes, you can publish them instantly, ensuring your site always reflects your latest information. There is also an option to preview your site's appearance before it goes live. Staying connected with your audience is crucial, and the Wix app makes it effortless. You can respond to customer messages and engage in real-time chats directly from your phone. For businesses with an online store, managing orders, tracking inventory, and processing payments are all at your fingertips. You can even send out newsletters and special promotional offers to your subscribers. Understanding your site's performance is key to growth, and the Wix app provides valuable insights. You can easily view your site traffic, monitor visitor behavior, and track your sales and revenue performance. The app also sends you important notifications about new orders, messages, and other critical site activities, keeping you informed and in control of your business 24 hours a day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.